Chapter number 13, India, Earth, Surface, Climate, Vegetation and Life. So each chapter में what we are going to learn about the Earth's surface, okay, and the climate and vegetation. Vegetation means क्या है, वहाँ पे कौन से प्लांट, किस टाइप के प्लांट्स होते हैं. क्लाइमेट मीन्स वहाँ पे कैसे सीजन ज़्यादा होती है. सपोज समर, ओके. मोस्ट ऑफ द इन इंडिया वी हैव 3 सीजन्स मेन. Which season? Summer, winter and monsoon. And also the fourth is wildlife of that area. Okay. As we know, India is a vast geographical area. India को बहुत ही बड़ा geographical area है. We know that. But all the area has same types? No. There is diversity. Diversity means अलग अलग होना. Okay, difference होना. In the last chapter, we learned about the different landforms, okay, about the mountains and the sea level and coastal area and the plain area. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So India has this all types of landforms. Okay. In north, as we know, there are Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay, yes or no? So it is covered with snow full year. So there in that area they have the climate very cool climate, or we can say full year they have winter types climate. Whereas in Rajasthan there is a desert. Okay, so during the summer it is very hot climate there. And first we'll start with the surface of the earth. Now you can see here, see, this is the map or the geographical map or structure of the India. Now 3 sides India has sea. Okay, west side there is Arabian Sea, east side there is Bay of Bengal, and in the south area it has Indian Ocean. Just remember, in east Bay of Bengal, in west Arabian Sea, and in south Indian Ocean. Understood? Now what is the area of India? Total area. What is the total area of India? It is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. What is the total area of India? 32.8 lakh square kilometer. Okay, and what is the distance, north south distance? See, north south distance means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. This is, we can say, north south distance. It is 3214 kilometer. Okay, and east west distance it is from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch of Gujarat. That is known as, this is east direction, this is west direction. So what is the east west distance? That is 2933 kilometer. Okay. Again, what is the total area of India? 32.8 lakh square kilometer. And the north south direction from Kashmir to Kanyakumari 3214 kilometer, and east west from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch 2933 kilometer. Okay, this is the Earth's surface. Okay, now as we know, in India there are different landforms: sea coast, high mountains, ranges, river, plains, the plateau and islands. Okay. Also they have diversity of cultures and languages. What is meant by culture? different area में different culture होता है. Suppose जो हमारे गुजरात की जो भी कल्चर है, जो हमारी कस्टम्स है, और साउथ इंडियंस की कस्टम्स है, या पंजाबी की कस्टम्स, यानी कि परंपरा, रीत रिवाज, पहनना, क्लोथ्स, फूड, सब डिफरेंट है. यस. ओके. देयर लैंग्वेज इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. यस. क्लाइमेट इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. यस. एंड वेजिटेशन मीन्स वहाँ पे कैसे प्लांट होते. ओके. एज वी नो, यहाँ पे जो माउंटेन रेंजेस है, मोस्टली दे हैव दिस टाइप्स ऑफ स्लोप वाला प्लांट है. 1 minute. Why? Because snow easily slip થઈ જાય. Okay. Where is in, see, Rajasthan is here. રાજસ્થાનમાં શું છે? ગ્રેટ ઇન્ડિયન ડેઝર્ટ છે. હવે ત્યાં કેવા પ્લાન્ટ હોય? કેક્ટસ હોય, સ્પાઇન્સવાળા હોય, મીન્સ કાંટાવાળા હોય, અને કેક્ટસ હોય ને બાવળ ને એવા બધા હોય. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? એન્ડ ઓલ્સો એનિમલ્સ ઓર વાઇલ્ડ લાઈફ ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ. યસ. ओके. एज यू लर्न इन द 5th स्टैंडर्ड, तो यहाँ पे जो वाइल्ड एनिमल है और यहाँ पे जो वाइल्ड एनिमल है, यहाँ पे देयर इज डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके. सो वी विल दिस डाइवर्सिटी एंड द फीलिंग ऑफ वन कंट्री गिव अस अ यूनिक आइडेंटिटी. ओके. दो देर आर मेनी डाइवर्सिटी, अलग अलग डाइवर्सिटी है. सबकी क्लोथ्स अलग है, सबकी लैंग्वेज अलग है. दे हैव डिफरेंट कस्टम्स, डिफरेंट रिलीजियस ऑल्सो, डिफरेंट सरफेस. सी, कहीं पे माउंटेन एरिया है, कहीं पे प्लेटू है, कहीं पे प्लेन एरिया है. बट बियॉन्ड इट वी आर इंडियन. वी ऑल आर इंडियन. सो दिस feeling gives us a unique identity. Okay. Whereas people from Kanyakumari or Kashmir to Kanyakumari or Kutch from Madhya Pradesh or from anywhere, but we all are Indian. So this feeling gives us unique identity. Now in the live or in the next video, we will discuss about the physical division of India. Just read the chapter